Welcome to this video on the comparative. In this video, you will learn how to use adjectives in the comparative form. When we use an adjective to compare two people or two things, the adjective takes the comparative form. One way to form the comparative is to add er to the adjective. For example, old, older. Stephen is older than Paul. Another way to form the comparative is to put more in front of the adjective. For example, comfortable, more comfortable. This chair is more comfortable than that chair. Notice that the word than is used to compare two people or things. Stephen is older than Paul. This chair is more comfortable than that chair. For adjectives with only one syllable, use the er form. For example, young, younger, old, older, short, shorter, tall, taller, small, smaller, big, bigger. A car is bigger than a cat. Notice that if an adjective ends in one vowel and one consonant, you need to double the final consonant before adding er. Big, bigger. Fat, fatter. Thin, thinner. Hot, hotter. Your coffee is hotter than my coffee. For adjectives that end in y, you need to change the y to I and add er. For example, pretty, prettier. Funny, funnier. Early, earlier. Busy, busier. Happy, happier. Nadia is happier than Joey. For other adjectives with two or more syllables, use more to form the comparative. For example, famous, more famous. Honest, more honest. Important, more important. Comfortable, more comfortable. Interesting, more interesting. Believable, more believable. My story is more believable than your story. Irregular comparative forms. These adjectives have irregular comparative forms. Good, better. Bad, worse. Far, farther, or further. This computer is better than that computer. My new job is worse than my old job. Chicago is farther north or further north than New York City. Now let's practice. Complete the sentences. Use the comparative form of the adjectives in parentheses. Your health is more important than your job. My handwriting is worse than your handwriting. A horse is stronger than a dog. A Mercedes is better than a Kia. Egypt is hotter than England. You live farther or further from the university than I do.